If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. I don't know. I don't know what. Holy. Sorry. I don't know. Do you know? Can you give it to me? I mean, what? What did I just say? I mean, can you tell me? Not. Whoa. Hey, what's poppin', my guy? Hey. Oh, their outfits are fire. I don't know if I could wear it. Another like retro feel too. Oh. Alright, peace out, Rafi. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, you better. Oh, they old school, bruh. Ooh, they vibing with it. That right here. This is right here. That's me in it, like, with the squeaking bed. Make me crazy. Ooh. Oh, this is a comeback. I mean, it's right now. It's like less of them at the moment because you know some are still in the military, are about to come back. Ooh. Ooh. B.I.P. How'd I know? B.I.G. D.I.E. L.O.V. Did I spell that right? L-O-V-E. Ooh. Oh, this might be a playlist. I'm gonna put this back on replay. Bro, I'm late to this. Damn it. I wish I heard this sooner. For the love, shot for the love. Ooh. 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 A lot with the sparkles, huh? Step it up. Step it up. Step it who? Step it up. Step it up. Hey. Throw back with it. Look back. This man a problem. This man, I don't know what your thoughts on I am, but he is a problem. He be saying some things that, you know he doing. Ooh. Kizuma. God damn, Tamika. I said Tamika because she always like. Oh, he brought his Michael. What? Tamika, I was gonna say shout out to Tamika. She's the one that always put me onto like MONSTA. Like, yo, check out MONSTA, love. Yeah, love. He said ad-lib. Ooh, that was actually yes, 몬스타엑스, do your shit. Well, hold up. Crazy. Jesus, he got his Michael on. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe. sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X toe, that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.